Hey beauties, if you're interested in seeing how I created this look using the 35G and 35M Morphe palettes, please keep watching.
Maybe someday we can work it out, but I'm afraid it's too late to try. Baby, I don't dare to love you, and you know the reason why.
Okay guys, so I just want to jump right in and start on this eye look. I kind of just wanted to use this one shimmer shade and I thought browns would go really good with it. So I wanted to do a look, and the palette that I'm going to use is the 35M palette. So I'm going to go in with this. I think I have used this before in a video, but I'm just going to go in and use some of the shades in this palette because the shimmer shade that I really want to use is in this palette. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab a fluffy brush. This brush, I got these from BH Cosmetics. It's a set of brushes that I got. So I'm just gonna go into this palette and use this shade here. Right there at the end. I'm gonna use that shade there, and I'm basically gonna use that as a transition shade. So it's gonna kind of fade all the way down, but I'm gonna use it as a transition shade. Blend it, blend it, blend it.
Yeah, I'll be waiting. I'm just a couple steps from going over the moon. I wanna move.
So now I'm going to dip into another Morphe palette. It is the 35G Bronze Goals palette. So I'm going to go in with Tan Up. It's a brown, but it's kind of a reddish brown there, and I'm going to basically just bring that a little bit lower in the transition color. Y'all see what I'm doing. Y'all see.
You're excited. My eyes can see perfection.
So I'm kind of just packing the color on. I'm not blending out too much right now.
Devotion's getting stronger with all that you do, but I'll be waiting.
And like I said, I'm kind of just packing that on right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the brush that I used with the first transition brown shade that I used from the other Morphe palette, and just tap a little bit of that shade on that brush and blend out the harsh line.
Ooh, yeah.
And you just want to blend that out really good. Okay, and once you feel like that is really blended out really good, I'm gonna go in with a darker brown shade, and it's in the Bronze Goals palette from Morphe. So I'm gonna go in with this really deep brown here. And I think this one is called Equator. Yeah. And I'm basically going to create a halo effect. So I'm going to put that on the outside corner and then on the inside corner as well. Then I'm going to basically, like I said, create a halo effect. So I'm going to put that in the crease, bring the shades together. So the Equator shade, bring that together.
I've been missing the way you touch me, baby.
See that halo effect? And I don't have it blended just yet. I'm just gonna start on the other side, do the same thing, and then I'm going to, once I'm happy with the application of that, then I'm going to blend it out.
I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Help me. I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me.
And now that I'm happy with that application, I'm gonna take the same brush that I used to apply that tan up shade, which was the reddish brown shade, and blend out the darker brown, the equator shade.
Help me. I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Help me. I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer.
I'm gonna take that same brush that I used to put the first transition brown shade from the 35M palette. I'm going to just lightly dust that underneath my eyes, so on the lash line on my eye.
Help me. I don't wanna be just a one night stand. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer. Sober up. Think it's time for me to sober up. Cause I don't know what I should do.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with the same brush that I used to apply the tan up shade, and I'm gonna grab a little bit of that and apply that underneath as well. And we're kind of just gonna create a gradient effect using the same shades that we already used on the top of the lid.
Don't just walk away. Help me. I wanna be more than just a friend. I'm looking for closure. So baby, pull me closer.
Alright, I'm pretty happy with that application, so I'm gonna go in with the shimmer shade that I wanted to put on top of my lid. So that's gonna go in the blank space area that we didn't put any foundation, so in the middle of that halo. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my finger to apply that, because I just think that when you're applying shimmers and stuff like that, the payoff is so much better when you use your finger. So I'm gonna go into my 35M palette from Morphe, and I'm going to dip into this shade here. And you're just gonna apply that on that empty spot where the concealer was showing. Woo! It's so pretty. And I'm kind of just gonna take the brush that I used to blend out the dark brown shade, the equator shade, and just touch up the edges, just because I want it to kind of look really blended. But you're not going over the shimmer shade you just applied. You're just touching up the edges around it. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a black eyeliner pencil and put that on my waterline. Kind of just want to darken it. Okay, and I'm just gonna take a fluffy brush and dust off this extra setting powder that I had underneath my eyes. And now I'm gonna go in with some mascara, and this is Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I'm just gonna go in with that.
Let me move with your body, baby.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these lashes on. So honestly, I'm not sure what lashes these are. These are just ones that I put back in an old pack, but I'm pretty sure they're Goddess from Lily Lashes. So we're just gonna go ahead and put these on. I'm scared. Dry.
It's just like
We're gonna finish it up with mascara on the bottom lashes.
Let me move with your body, baby. Ooh, yeah.
Let's get a little bit of a glow going on. Let's get some highlight on this face. I'm gonna take my, I love this palette, my Glow Kit in Sun Dipped, and I'm gonna dip in, I think I'm gonna dip in Bronze and Tourmaline. So these two, gonna dip in that and just highlight this face. Y'all see that reflex? Chin, Cupid's bow. Take some on the finger and go on the tip of the nose, right up on the bridge, and then just doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. And I'm gonna take some of that and go in the inner corners to make that pop. And then last step is going to be lips. So since I was feeling like this was kind of like a fall inspired look, it is a little bronzy, but I don't know, it is kind of dark as well. So I'm kind of fall inspired by this. So I'm gonna do probably like a deep red. Ooh. Or should we do a brown? Ooh. Ooh. Let's see. First, let's just do a lip liner. So I'm gonna go in with the NYX Downtown Beauty lip liner.
Like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me, yeah. I believe it's true. You're all for someone new. I've never felt this.
Alright, so I have that lip liner on, and you know what? I think I'm gonna go in with the MAC lipstick in Antique Velvet, and this is kind of like a, if I remember, it's like a red brown-ish color. I don't know how to explain that. It's cute. We about to see what it look like. It's like a deep, yeah, it's like a really deep burgundy. So we're going with that. Oh, this is freaking, jeez, this is pretty.
I've never felt this stupid thinking I'm enough for you.
Does anybody else just love the smell of lipstick? I do. I do. I do. Alright, we're gonna finish it up with some setting powder. Setting powder. Why did I say that? Setting spray. Okay, beauties, this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I think it's really cute. I really like it. I think it came out really good. I love the dark lip. I love the bronzy brown eyes. It's definitely giving me fall vibes. I hope that you guys were able to recreate this look yourself. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want to see anything different. Other than that, I'll catch you guys next time in my next video. Bye, beauties.
It's not your fault, my baby. It's not on you, my baby. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. You deserve somebody who's loving you. You shouldn't call me later. Promise it's for the better. I'm just not the right kind of girl for you. 'Cause I got a rule. I hope